If you're trying to create or update your Apple ID and you see this phone number cannot be used at this time, here's how to fix it. First, double check the phone number. Make sure you enter the correct number with the right country code. And if you're using a number that was recently used on another Apple ID, that might cause the error. And if possible, try using a different number to finish setting up your Apple ID. And you can always change it back later under your settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. Then go into sign in and security to change your number. Next, wait for 24 to 48 hours. If you've just removed or changed this number on another Apple ID, Apple might block it from being used again temporarily. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours and try again. After that, remove number from other Apple IDs. And for that, go to appleid.apple.com on any browser, then sign in to your other Apple ID and remove the phone number from the reachable at section. Also, make sure your SIM card is working, active, and can receive text messages, especially if you're creating an account or receiving a verification code. Next, sign out and back in. On your iPhone, go to your settings app and tap on your name at the very top. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on sign out. Then, restart your iPhone and try signing in again. And if you're still getting the error, it could be a server-side issue or your phone number might be flagged. In that case, go to appleid.apple.com and click support and contact Apple directly. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.